A week-old man went to live with his son, daughter-in-law, and 4-year-old grandson. The old man's hands shook, his eyesight was poor, and he walked slowly. Every night the family ate together, but it was hard for him to eat without making a mess. The son and daughter-in-law grew upset with the spills and mess. "We have to do something about father," said the son. They set up a small table in the corner for the grandfather to eat alone. They gave him a wooden bowl after he broke a few dishes. The 4-year-old boy watched everything in silence. One evening, the father saw his son playing with wood pieces. "What are you making?" he asked. The boy replied, "I'm making a little bowl for you and Mama to eat from when I grow up." Tears filled their eyes. That night, the son brought the grandfather back to the family table. From then on, the old man ate every meal with the family. Children notice everything. They watch, listen, and learn from what they see. Wise parents know they are teaching their children how to act in the future. Let's all be wise role models and take care of ourselves and those we love every day.